the right to pre-trial disclosure of material statements and exhibits. In an open and democratic society of our type, courts cannot give approval to trial by ambush. And in criminal litigation, the courts cannot adopt a procedure under which an accused person will be ambushed, subject to the rights of every person entrenched in the Constitution, including the presumption of innocence until proven guilty beyond reasonable doubt. The fundamental right to a fair hearing by its nature requires that there is an equality between the contestants in litigation. There can be no true equality if legal process allows one party to withhold material information from his adversary without just cause or peculiar circumstances. So, my Lord, the Constitutional Court has set out two criteria: just cause and peculiar circumstances. And, my Lord, they are saying there is no greater unfairness, than for one, there is no greater attack even on the presumption of innocence and the rights enshrined in the Constitution. There is no greater inequality if one party can withhold material information from his adversary without just cause. My Lord, in this case, Mr. Mwaganya is in possession of information that that witness went to IHK in November 2023. That is not information that anybody on the defense side has. That is not information the accused person has. Mr. Mwaganya and my learned friends are in possession of information of who she interacted with. That is not information we have. The requirement, he says there's no requirement for a statement. The soon decision is the one, my Lord, that is instructive. For him not to disclose her statement, there must be exceptions within the decision of soon. The soon decision, my Lord, is binding on this honorable court. Yes.
I think this is coming law. Let me propose a way forward.
Yes.
Let us have submissions. Many cases are being written submissions. Many cases are being cited. Court has to also look at these cases in totality, because we don't know what is being picked, whether it's being picked out of context or not. We need to have submissions. But in the meantime, we can continue, and then when the submissions come, a ruling will be made. And whatever is found to be contrary to the ruling will be expunged from the report.
My Lord, can I make an additional proposal?
Yes,
with you? My Lord, I pray that instead this witness be limited to the events of January, and then if we have to go back to the events of November, you first make a ruling on that, and then we put it on the record. Because the prejudicial effect...
We will expand it if it is against the rule. With the number of authorities being quoted, and the nature of the submissions, and the impact of the matter generally, I think we owe this court submissions. And with copies of those authorities, I'm going to give you statements that she's going to proceed. And if the ruling comes out that something has to be expanded, it will be expanded and it will be placed on the record that that part of it is expanded.
Much obliged, my Lord. Thank you, my Lord, for your wise guidance.